Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how you can use pivot tables with slicers and with charts. So let's start. First thing what we need to do is to create from this table we should create a first pivot table. Okay, so let's do the pivot table. First we drag the country on the rows, because we want to see something by countries, so we'll see soon, will make sense soon. So we want to see the publications by country, so the count, so we will select now the count. Okay, and now we want, let's say for example, we want to see by the world rank, so we will select maybe just a few countries which they are, let's say, in top rank universities in the world. For that I will select maybe the universities which they are in top 20 world rank in the world, because I don't want to go to all of them, the list will be very big and the chart won't fit everything. So I'll get the 20 and we get this pivot table, and then we create the chart. After we create the chart, we manipulate it a little bit just to make it pretty and nice and simple. So first thing, I'll remove the title, because we know already what's that. We remove the guidelines, we remove the labels, we remove the all those the lines, and then the legend there and the axis, and then we add some labels just to see some the count. So we have the chart now, which is pretty simple and nice and clean. And the next thing is to add the slicer. So we want to see by year, so we want to see the publications by year. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's see in 2012. Okay, so those are the results. We can see United States is first with 14, and in 2013 it's with 15. So if you like this, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.